What if I told you that you could earn doctor's salary from web design? If you're skilled in web design but struggling to make money, it's because you're missing out these 5 crucial elements that can elevate you above the competition. Number 1. You don't understand the concept yet. Let's flashback to one of the most genius entrepreneurs I know, Michael Gerber. He says,
The entrepreneurial myth is that you're supposed to know how to run a business because you know how to do the technical work.
it simply means that just because you're good at web designing, it doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to be great at running a business. Managing a business is a whole other concept. In order for you to become a successful CEO, you need to master 4 elements: money management, team management, marketing, and of course, web design. Stats show that 9 out of 10 times agencies or startups fail because the manager thinks that now that he's good at technical work, he can run a business and be successful. Number 2, fundamental and structure. At this stage, you have 2 options: the easy path, the hard path. I personally have chosen the easy path because it saves so much time. For each option, you have one specific destination to go. You eventually get to your destination both ways, but the difference here is the time you spend to get to your final destination. So first, let's start with the hard choice. First of all, make sure to open up a new document file in Google and then start researching. But then again, you don't know how to do the research or what to search on Google. So first, let's cover that. The first thing you should do is to find as much competitor as you can. 1, 2, 3, 10, 100, I don't really care about the number. The more, the better. After you found the people you have to compete with, it's time to focus on them. Imagine they're celebrities, you should be obsessed with them. Follow them everywhere. Read everything. Check their website. Look for their weakness, their strength, literally everything. Take detailed notes on everything you observe. But of course, if I wanted to focus on research, the video would have been too long, so I saved the research concept for another video. Then you need to create a business plan. Never heard of them? Not good. A business plan is a dynamic document that serves as a roadmap for establishing a new business. It should present a simple way for potential investors to understand what your business does and where it's headed. Every business plan should have these 9 elements: executive summary, company description, market analysis, organization and structure, mission and goals, product or services, background summary, marketing plan, and financial plan. Well, of course, you all need an explanation for each of them. So head over to comment section and read the pinned comments. Now it's time for easy path. Head over to ChatGPT and paste this exact prompt. You are now a business coach who owns 7 different businesses that make you $100,000 per month and have helped more than 100 people create their business from scratch. I want to start my own web design agency from scratch and I need you to help me. Do you understand? When ChatGPT tells you what to do, copy and paste this second prompt. Now I've chosen my name. What process I should follow from now to have a successful brand? After that, ChatGPT will list everything you should do in order to have a successful brand. Every research process you should follow. You can take control from here, or you can use ChatGPT again to get faster results. Copy and paste every line ChatGPT says inside ChatGPT to get faster results. Number 3, the website. Alright, let me get this straight. You're calling yourself a web design agency. You want to provide a service to people who don't know you, so your website should be the best. But let's be honest, it's easier said than done. Go to Figma, but don't think about designing right now. Just forget about it for now. You know, they always say that if you have a tried and tested solution, it's ridiculous to start over and build something new. So here's a prize for you. I've been using this structure for my landing pages on over 150 websites. And 7 out of 10 times it works and increased sales. As you can see, this structure starts with a hero. You can write anything here, but it's wise to come up with a bold introduction. Number 4, the tool. Imagine you've already finished designing your interface. Do you have any data on how it works? Do you know what points of your design grab users' attention the most? Well, no. AI made this easy for you. Once again, go to Figma, select landing page you want to analyze. After that, head over to plugin section in Figma and search for Attention Insights. This tool will analyze your landing page for you, highlights the most important parts of your design, tells you what points users look at most, and most important, it'll rate your design. What is the benefit of this? You should have understood it so far. By taking a test with this plugin, you'll understand the most important part of your design, and after that, you're able to update or improve your landing page. Number 5, the market. Let's talk about marketing. Your website is live. Now, how do you get clients? Here's the deal. If you want high-ticket clients, Google SEO is your best friend. But if you want to build a community around your brand, social media is key. But don't get me wrong, it doesn't mean that you're not able to make money with social media. I meant that you're able to find clients that tend to pay more with Google SEO. I focus on SEO and use a tool called Uber Suggest created by Neil Patel to optimize my site. The tool is awesome. It has the most accurate result for finding keywords. And no, this video is not sponsored by Neil Patel or Uber Suggest. It's just my go-to resource. And there you have it. Blueprint to launching a successful agency. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe this channel for more insider tips. From now on, I'm going to cover everything from launching an agency to market it and how to make money with it. And if you got any questions, drop them in the comment section and I'll answer them in my next video. Until then, keep hustling and remember, success is just one good strategy away.